Hey guys, so we got so much rain this morning. I had to leave early to take Hunter to school for a field trip, and by the time I got home, Hunter had called Jeff and told him that the field trip had been canceled due to the rain. There's so much flooding. On the way home, there were probably 5 areas where water was going over the road. Luckily, I knew that the road was flat, so I went ahead and went over it. Probably stupid of me, but I did it anyways. In one of those sections, there was actually a car stalled in it. Look at that. That is no good. This used to be paved. I don't want to fall. That's got to be at least 5 inches deep right there. So it was actually raining a lot harder when I came home from dropping Hunter off from the school, and this was even more flooded, especially like right there. It was wider. Y'all, we do not have a place to milk baby girl. Aww. And one of the things that we want to do is get a stanchion or shed so that we can milk her in a cool, or a, not cool, a warm area. It's just crazy how much damage water can do. So I hope everyone stays safe out there, and hopefully this rain stops so that we can, because we are so behind on a lot of our stuff. I haven't planted seedlings yet, although that's an indoor thing anyways, but I got a greenhouse, so you know, there's just so much stuff that we have planned and want to do outside that we just have not gotten to yet. So hopefully it does stop soon. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Alright, this is after the rain has stopped. Look at all that wash away.